Hey, second graders. I hope that yesterday you all were able to get outside and go on a walk and look for some pollinators, either if it was in your backyard or maybe walking around your neighborhood. Today, what we're going to do is we're going to start filling out a KWL chart. And this might look familiar to some of you, so remember the K stands for what we know. So this is where we are going to be writing what we already know about pollinators before we start learning about them. The W stands for wonder, so that means we're going to put any questions we have about pollinators in this column. And then the last column says learned, so that means that once we're starting our research, we're going to keep track of all of the new things that we've learned in this side of our KWL chart, okay? So to start us off, I went on a walk this weekend, and I saw a lot of beautiful flowers. And that reminded me that something I know about pollination is that flowers are colorful to attract pollinators. So I remember learning from our first unit that flowers have all these beautiful different colors so that they can get birds and bees and wasps and other animals to come drink their nectar. So I'm going to put that on this side of the chart. I was thinking about all of these beautiful colors and how lucky I was to be able to see them on my walk. And so a question I had was, I was wondering, let me see if I can get this one here. I was wondering, do pollinators see colors like we do? So I know that we have eyes that help us see beautiful colors. And I know that insects and other animals have eyes, but they look different. So I'm wondering if colors look different to them than they do to humans. So what I'm going to ask you to do is see if you can tell me at least one thing that you already know about pollinators, maybe something you noticed from your pollinator walk, and then I'd like for you to tell me some questions you might have so that we can do some research and we can help you guys answer all of your questions about pollinators.